Are you looking for a new way to make money online? Have you considered affiliate marketing? It's a popular and profitable business model that allows you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services. But how do you get started in affiliate marketing? Well, the first step is to choose a niche or industry that interests you. This could be anything from health and fitness to travel or fashion. Next, you'll need to find affiliate programs that align with your chosen niche. There are many affiliate networks and platforms that connect affiliates with companies looking for promoters. Once you've found a program, you can start promoting their products or services through various channels, such as your website, social media, or email marketing. The key to success in affiliate marketing is to provide value to your audience and build trust. By recommending products or services that you genuinely believe in, you can establish yourself as a trusted authority in your niche. As your audience grows and you generate sales, you'll start earning commissions. And the best part is, you don't need to worry about inventory, shipping, or customer service. The company you're affiliated with takes care of all that. So, if you're ready to start making money online and have the freedom to work from anywhere, consider getting started in affiliate marketing. It's a flexible and rewarding way to earn passive income. Click the link below to get started in your affiliate marketing journey.